I hope you're doing well, and today I am doing a video, well actually an unboxing kind of on Sunday. I say kind of because I've actually already unboxed it and I did an Instagram reel on it, but I wanted to share on YouTube my honest kind of thoughts and opinions on first impressions with this brand. First of all, I actually came across this brand a while ago, and I've been following them on Instagram for quite some time now actually, and then I saw them on TikTok because they must have come up as recommended because of the algorithm and stuff, and I saw that the owner had given away some PR packages to influencers, about £19,000 worth, so ouch. And basically the influencers didn't really kind of come through basically on representing their company or sharing any reels at all, which and the owner, you could just see in her soul, like it was like it really upset her, and I was just like, oh my gosh, you know, I've been following this brand for a while and I thought I have been kind of umming and ahhing about it, but I thought buying for a woman who, you know, really, one, cares about sustainability, and I will touch upon that in a moment, and then two, just seemed like a really genuine nice person, and yeah, I just really wanted to help support her. So I made a purchase. Well, actually I made two, one from ASOS and one from directly from her website, and I've got 3 items in total to share with you. I think Lola's just joined. I hope she's in the video. Yeah, I think she is, so good girl. So you've got me and Lola today, and first of all, the packaging is so bougie, right? When you're buying presents, getting it in a box, when you're buying stuff for yourself, it's a present for yourself. Doesn't getting it in the box just make you feel even more special? Like, yay to me, like from me to me, and I'm happy about it, you know. So packaging, first of all, 10 out of 10. And then what it did come in actual individual packagings, but I've left it unboxed just to save time really to go through it all. But every single item was packed in this Sunde kind of, it's like a plastic almost, but it's 100% biodegradable, which I absolutely love. I am made from plant-based materials. I will break down naturally, reducing environmental impact. So absolutely love that. But to be honest, I will probably reuse them when I sell my stuff on Vinted. But knowing that they're kind of going to go somewhere and biodegrade over time, perfect. And then also there's a card provided for each of the orders, so it was about the special fabric, which I will touch upon in a moment. But due to the delicate nature of the fabric, we advise you handle the garment with care, ensuring its longevity and to maintain its exquisite quality. The fabric is crafted with exception materials to provide you with a luxurious touch and comfort. Please take care when wearing jewellery to avoid snagging. Sunday. I am heavily dyslexic, so hopefully I didn't say those words wrong, but just in case, it's just saying about the material and obviously being careful, and I will show you why in a moment. And then it also does include a 10% discount. I am actually going to reach out to the owner, see if she does have any discount for you guys that I can share. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to share this, but yeah, just thought I would ask the question because there's no harm if you don't ask. But yeah, little thank you card. And then let's get into the goodies, because that's why we're all here. So I ordered 3 items as mentioned, and as you can see, it is like a chocolate layered cake here. We've got like the lighter vanilla base here, the chocolate middle, and then the chocolate sponge. I don't know why I would reference the cake there, but apparently I'm wanting chocolate cake. I actually did just have my advent calendar, so that might be why. I'm just going to pull from what's at the top. And first of all, we have the joggers. So the joggers are absolutely silky smooth. Now, I was a little bit worried actually that they might have silk in them, and I was like, I'm sure I didn't see it on the website, but they are absolutely not silk. I would not have bought them. Obviously, using Gemthevegan, I don't buy silk or anything like that. The material is 48% modal, 48% polyester and 4% spandex. So this modal that she uses is actually a very sustainable kind of material. I don't know enough about it to kind of tell you more, but this is kind of what, to me, makes this stand out to a regular jogger. As you can see, the material is just, love it. You know, if I had my brown hair still and wearing this as well, I feel like I would just look like a brunette goddess, but instead I'm going to look like a blonde goddess, which, can't wait to get my hair done by the way, but anyway, another story for another day. Love the Sunde branding on the front there. Hopefully my camera is doing it justice. Just going to point it out just in case. We had the storm here today. I don't know which one this one is, but the weather is grim and it's extremely dark, so I'm hoping to do this video justice. But the length is amazing. They are flared. I will insert a clip if I can. I'm not very good at tech, but I am getting there. I also got myself a rib top. So I was, I got this in a size medium, and with the clip, hopefully it did show it, you know, the elastic band is slightly tight, however I prefer kind of have tighter rather than baggier, and I'm also on a weight loss journey, so hopefully, you know, it won't even be a problem down the line. But 12 to 14 on my bottom, and I'm about a 12 on the top, so I went for a medium here, which is a 12, and this chocolate ribbed top here, obviously got the Sunde here on the back. The label, I just absolutely love the label as well, and look at this detail again, it is so flipping soft. I love the buttons down the front. This, honestly, I felt really good in this, and this is the one I was kind of worried about the most about, oh, will I, won't I like it? Actually, it's actually my favourite out of all of them. And this is 92% rayon and 8% spandex, and I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. Finally, which was actually the thing that made me want to buy from this website, it is this shorts from ASOS. Actually, I got these from. I got these all in the Black Friday sale, so I did get, I think it was like 25% off all of it. A size medium again, and oh, it is in the shade Mocha. The other two are chocolate, and I just think they're so soft again. I just cannot explain this material. It is just so flipping beautiful. On the front here is the Sunde logo. Why can't I think of that just for a moment? And they honestly are just very much a kind of a Sunday lounge around the house after work, whack them on. In the summertime, potentially, I don't like to get my legs out too much, but I'm working on that. It is a self criticism I have on myself, so I'm going to work on that, and wearing things like this, which I know make me feel good, I think will hopefully help me in, you know, be encouraged to get the legs out for summer. And hopefully they come out with more colours as well. I think that'd be really good. They should come out with some different shades, she's quite neutral at the moment. In the summer, I wonder if she'll bring in like a proper pink, or, you know, something like that, just to kind of spruce it up a bit, or like even like an all white set, or like a cream set. I know I was sticking with the neutrals there, but I absolutely love my two-piece set I wore. Why can't I talk? I need to have some chocolate more. I need to have more chocolate, clearly. So that is everything that I got from Sunday. I'm really pleased with my purchases. I was thinking, gosh, you know, I'll be honest with you, I'm thinking, God, did I buy this because I felt bad for the lady and stuff like that? But in all honesty, probably a little bit, yes. You know, I wanted to support her, and I felt really terrible for her. I was like, blooming people like myself who really want to kind of, you know, become, I know it sounds a bit cheesy, but become influencers, make this a full-time thing, and they let us down, really. And yeah, I wanted to show my respect to her. Like I said, I was following her even before that reel, and I'm really pleased that I made my purchases. I can't wait to lounge around with them. And yeah, Lola, what did you think? As you can see, she's peaceful, she's happy. She's like, yes, mum, you do good. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will catch you on the next one.